The Auroville, a utopian society where human unity is the center of what they do. As a traveler, is it worth to visit this place on your Pondicherry trip? Let's find out in this vlog. Welcome back to a new vlog of Trip 2. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell for more travel videos. If you are coming from Pondicherry town, it takes around 12 km to reach this place. On the way, you can find beautiful cafes that offers French pizza, etc. and also some shopping areas. You can pay a parking fee and park your vehicle here, and then you can get inside. You need to walk for a few meters to see the information center. Better to take a photo of the map of this place. You may need it later if you want to explore more. There is a big information center that gives you proper details and historic background about the place. Auroville is envisioned as a city of the future where people can live in harmony with nature and each other. It is home to people from all around the world, creating a diverse and multicultural environment. The city is deeply rooted in spiritual and philosophical principles, with the Matrimandir serving as its spiritual heart. Auroville emphasizes sustainable living practices, includes organic farming, renewable energy, and eco-friendly architecture. The city has various educational institutions, including the Auroville International Center of Education. Auroville offers a variety of cultural activities, such as art exhibitions, music concerts, and festivals. From this information center, you need to walk for around 2 kilometers to reach the Matrimandir viewpoint. Also purchase a ticket for the cycling tour if you wish to explore the place with cycle. This experimental city is a testament to human unity, environmental sustainability, and spiritual growth. Apart from the Matrimandir, if you have enough time to explore everywhere, then you can explore more places like the art center, etc. While going, you can walk, and while return, you can catch the free shuttle to come back. If you have enough time, then it would be better if you can stay here by booking a guest house, and then you can explore the culture and activities of this place more. During the walk, you'll come across so many beautiful places where you can sit and relax or take nice photos. As you come closer to the place, you can see the sights of Matrimandir. This old tree is another photogenic spot that you don't want to miss during this visit. This thatched hut is made of traditional Indian architecture. It also regulates the temperature inside it. It'll feel cool even if it is summer. Finally, after a long walk, we reach the viewpoint. The Matrimandir, the heart of Auroville, is a unique structure designed to serve as a focal point for meditation and spiritual growth. Its iconic golden sphere, visible from miles around, is a symbol of the city's aspiration for human unity and harmony. The Matrimandir is a place where people can experience their inner peace. Its design is inspired by Golden Gate, a symbol of spiritual realization in various cultures, and there is a meditation hall inside it. The visitors can take photos of Matrimandir from this point and then they can leave. There is an option to enter the Matrimandir But for that you need to apply online or you need to register at the information center. Without exploring more, just by coming here and to see this viewpoint, I don't think it's worth to do the 2 kilometer walk and to experience this. Instead, it would be better if you can spend more time. It is better to enter the Matrimandir or you can have a stay at the guest house to explore more about this place. You can join the queue for the shuttle to get back to the starting point. Visit this place and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.